Are you tired of overwhelming skincare routines? I'm going to show you a really simplified skincare routine that's going to leave your skin healthy and glowing. So, I love actives. Retinols and vitamin C's can be great once in a while, but I think that a lot of people often overuse these actives. And this leads to compromised skin barrier. Your skin is going to be flaky and red, and that also actually leads to more lines and wrinkles over time. So I'm going to show you this really simplified skincare routine that's going to leave your skin healthy and glowy and smooth and supple. So let's get started.
So, we are going to get started with our simple skincare routine. What I like to do first is start with an oil cleanser. So, this is the best way to remove sebum and sunscreen and makeup and impurities without stripping the skin. It balances the skin's oil production by also preserving its natural lipid barrier, preventing dryness or overproduction of oil. So, I like to apply it all over my face, and I really take some time to massage the oil all over my face. And really paying attention to any areas where I have a bit of tension or any kind of stress. Really making sure that that oil gets all in my skin. Next, I take a little towel and I use a hot, damp towel, and I gently press it into my skin. And this warmth of the towel here helps to really gently open up the pores, allowing the cleansing oil to effectively remove impurities and makeup. It's also a really nice, soothing experience. It just feels really nice and it calms the mind as well. And this damp towel also helps to emulsify the oil, breaking it down for easier removal. And then I gently start by wiping the oil off my face here. Next, I go in with a double cleansing, and this is a cleansing oil too, but this is a oil that actually emulsifies, so I can wash it off. So I go in here and do another double cleansing. Now, double cleansing is amazing. It removes the oil-based impurities here, and it also prevents breakouts. It removes debris that could clog pores and lead to acne or blackheads, and also maintains the skin's balance. So I take a little time here again to massage this next oil into my skin, making sure that I got all the makeup and debris out of my skin, and I then wash it off. Then we are going to gently pat our skin down. Wonderful. We are going to mist our face here with a hydrating toner. So hydrating toners are wonderful for replenishing moisture levels, helping to keep the skin plump and dewy throughout the day. So I really take some time here and I use my fingertips to gently tap all over my face, and this is going to make sure that mist, the toner, is going to get deeper into my skin. And then I apply a bit of face oil here. I take 1 to 2 pumps. And I take some time to inhale the aroma. So some face oils have essential oils in them that are wonderful for aromatherapy, calms the nervous system. So I take a little time there to inhale the aroma, and then I start applying the face oil all over my face and my forehead and my neck area. Regular use of face oil can actually help smooth rough patches, soften fine lines, and promote a more even, radiant complexion. I just love face oils. They have made the biggest difference in my skin. Next, we are going to put a little bit of eye balm onto our delicate under eye area. So I just take a little dab of eye balm And I take a little moment here to inhale it too. It smells so delicious. And then I gently pat it all under my eye area. And then I go just on the eyelid as well. So take a little time here and be very gentle around the eye area here as you apply your balm. It's actually going to minimize puffiness and dark circles as well here. And then I apply it all over my neck area and just gently massage downwards.
I really believe that skincare doesn't have to be complicated. And as you see, I love oils on my skin. It's the best thing that you can use on your skin, especially as you start getting a little bit older and your skin starts to get a little bit more dry and dehydrated. This is the simplest tips that I can give you, but it really makes a big difference in combination with doing like face yoga poses and facial massage techniques. My skin is feeling and looking great. So if you're interested in more holistic beauty traditions and holistic beauty rituals, take a look at my playlist, face yoga or gua sha or facial massages. And I'm excited to take you along the journey with me. Have a great day. I'll see you in next class.